Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the finishing touches on the Sudoku app, and I'll be telling you what the next app you will be creating. So the finishing touches is we're just gonna clean this up a bit, the code, we're gonna make it look a little nicer, and we'll add a little more functions. So for the win 0, lose 0, we know the IDs count, so we can go back into the main activity, going up here and put count set on click listener. When you click on it, it'll reset to win equals 0, lose equals 0. So we can do when count is pressed, count.text would change into win 0, lose 0. So we can add it right here. Win 0, lose 0. Count.text equals win is 0 and lose is 0. And after we do that, we then have to change the variables into win equals 0 and lose equals 0. So after we did that, we just have the code in win equals 0, lose equals 0, and count.text will be changed. Then we'll clean it up a bit. We'll write in for the function.keys. And we're gonna have a comment that says buttons or puzzle. These are the buttons that you use for the puzzle. Side, close this up, and that's it for the button. For here, we'll have a check. This is finish button or check button. This one right here makes the puzzle. So we'll say puzzle. So when we do that, it'll look easier when we look back on the code to see what we did. So if we go back into it, we can just see, oh, I made this function for buttons. I made this function check the puzzle, and I made this function to make the puzzle. So it's just easier to look at. And now we can just run it to see if okay. So I ran the app, and we can see that if we lose real quick, the lose button will go up, and if we click on the middle, it'll go back to the original. So that's the function, and it works. So after we cleaned up and the function works, for the next few videos, the series is gonna be about a matching game. I will make a BTS matching game. So that's it. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye.